This is a 2015 Subaru Crosstrek. On this car, AC is not blowing cold. In this video, I'm going to replace this AC suction line that goes from the compressor all the way to the expansion valve on the firewall. And the reason is that using some ultraviolet dye found that there was a little bit of leakage happening from this line. So we want to replace it. The first step, even though we think that most of the refrigerant has leaked out already, is we're going to suck out any remaining refrigerant using a AC recovery machine. The next step is to disconnect these AC lines from the expansion valve, and they just have one bolt with a 10mm head that holds them in. Next, I'm going to disconnect this fastener that keeps the line in place, and it also has a 10mm bolt. And finally, I disconnect the line from the compressor, and also has a 10mm bolt right there. This suction line comes off just like this, and let's see if the new one is a good match. Here are the new line and the old line side by side. It does look like a very good match. And if you're interested, this is the part number. I will include a link in the video description. Now I have the line installed at both ends and at the mounting point in the middle. And I did have to do a little bit of bending on this end at the expansion valve end to get it to sit correctly on its mounting point on the firewall, but this is not a big deal. These aluminum lines have a little bit of bend in them. This line did come with its own O-rings, and they are a good match for the orifices that they go in. So I would give this line a 8 out of 10. Not a 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10 because of the little bit of bending that I had to do. It's not shaped exactly perfectly, but it's close enough. And at this point, all we have to do is to evacuate, then refill the system, and we'll be good to go. Everything is back together. The sound that you can hear is this little vacuum pump that is putting the system under vacuum. And we're going to hold it there for about 45 minutes. Make sure there are no leaks before refilling the system. Then it'll be good to go. The system is now charged up. You can see high side pressure is a little bit over 200, and the low side pressure is what is it? About 35 psi, and it's cooling nicely on the inside. The temperature in the cabin is in the high 40s, which is a good place for it. So that's it for this video. We've completed the repair. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please leave them underneath.